You are going to love the 2019 GMC Acadia. The GMC Acadia is great capability coupled with exceptional safety, offering better highway fuel economy than any other 8-passenger SUV. Advanced technology and thoughtful ergonomics, the Acadia is a premium utility that rejects compromise and is priced below $45,000. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: towing package, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, heated side mirrors, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, fog lights, remote trunk release, power driver mirrors, navigation system. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.